How to download YouTube videos on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download YouTube videos on mobile. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and open the video you want to download. You will then see various options there. Tap on the download option. Now, if you have a YouTube Premium account, then you will be able to download your videos in full HD, that is 1080p, or in high quality, that is 720p. However, if you do not have a YouTube Premium account, you will only be able to download videos of medium and low quality, that is 360p and 144p respectively. Tap on the download button, and with this your video will be downloaded, and this is how you can download videos on YouTube. Also, if you want videos of higher quality, then you can always go ahead and upgrade your account to a premium account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.